Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unscrew the dampener cord clip with a Phillips head screwdriver. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the frame cover. Clean out any debris in the housing. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new AQ1048C filter into the frame, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the frame and then press until it clicks secure. Partially close the glove box so that the stops re-engage. Reinstall the dampening cord. Close the glove box. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.